Okay, let's take a look at one of the better Zippos to come out in the last couple of years. Now this one arrived in the normal Zippo black box, and it says Second Amendment. This is a genuine Zippo made in Bradford, PA. There's a good look at it. It's on a matte green finish, kind of an army green. It's got the Zippo logo on the side. Nothing else. Now this was made in F of 16, which I believe is June. Nice stampings on it. And I did put a brass insert in this. It normally comes with a steel insert. I think it looks better with a brass insert. Fires up nice. Got a real good sound. Let's do a drop test on this Second Amendment Zippo. A lit drop test. So the Second Amendment Zippo stays lit. This is a good one for my collection. This is the second one I've acquired. I'm going to keep this one. And that one deserves a trophy and a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.